Thank you, the Chairman. Yes, good afternoon again, ladies and gentlemen. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Ubon and this is Ms. Orawan. Today, we would like to present our research, which is being done by Professor Dr. Mayura Sonvila, Orawan, and I. We work and study in the Department of Plant Production Technology, Faculty of Agricultural Technology, King Mongkut Institute of Technology, Lat Krabang, Bangkok, Thailand. The title of our research is Comparative Mosquito Repellency of Herbal Essential Oils against the Director mosquitoes, Aedes aegypti. We have divided our presentation into 4 parts. There are introduction, materials and methods, results, and discussion. Next, Ms. Orawan will talk about the introduction, please.
Let's start with the first part. Its introduction. Nowadays, dengue fever is ranked by the World Health Organization or WHO as the most important mosquito-borne viral disease in the world. Aedes aegypti is a major vector of dengue fever and dengue hemorrhagic fever. The data from WHO show an estimated 500,000 people with severe dengue require hospitalization each year. A large proportion are children, about 2.5% of those affected die. Nowadays, the common approach for the control of mosquito vector are based on the chemical insecticide. There are many reports about the disadvantage of synthetic insecticide, insecticide resistance, environmental effect, community deteriorate, and high cost. Natural products used as insecticide have less of an environmental impact due to shorter latency, with preventing the evolution of resistance and safe to humans. The objective of this research was to investigate the repellency of essential oil from some herbal plants against Aedes aegypti and to compare them with chemical repellent under laboratory conditions. The herbal plants used in this research were Citrus aurantifolia, Citrus aurantium, Citrus maxima, Citrus hydric. Ubon will talk about the material, method, result, please.
Thank you. Now, let's move to the material and methods. Aedes aegypti mosquitoes were raised in plant production technology, Faculty of Agricultural Technology, King Mongkut Institute of Technology, Lat Krabang, Bangkok, Thailand. The plant's essential oils were extracted by water distillation and prepared as 1, 5, and 10% solution in ethyl alcohol and compare them with chemical irritant. We use DEET with skeleton shield trademark. This one is a popular chemical repellent in Thailand. Now, let me talk about the repellency test. The timing of the test depended on the habit of mosquitoes. For Aedes aegypti mosquitoes, it was tested during the daytime from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Started with putting 250 nulliparous female mosquitoes with 4 to 5 days old in a cage. Both arms of volunteers were covered with rubber sleeve with a window area of 30 square centimeters Before testing, the volunteer arms were washed and cleaned thoroughly with distilled water and used the left arm for the treatment and the right arm for the control. 0.1 millimeter of each test repellent was applied to the treatment area of the left forearm of each volunteer and allowed to dry on the skin for 1 minute. After applying the test repellent, put the arm in the cage. The test was conducted for 3 minutes. Evaluated by using technique of Thai Industrial Standards Dental Guidelines (TISI) 2009. If no mosquito bite occurred within 3 minutes, the forearm was taken out and the test was repeated every 15 minutes intervals. This was continued until at least 2 mosquitoes bite occurred during the 3 minutes study period. The experiment was completed after 2 mosquitoes has bitten. Now, let's move to the result of the research. The repellency result accessed by mean protection time. We look at the protection time. It shows this figure. The result indicated that all essential oil has efficiency against Aedes aegypti by showing the protection time between 10 to 65 minutes, while ethyl alcohol gave 0 minutes, and DEET gave mean protection time of 155 minutes. The essential oil of Citrus ornithifolia was the highest effectiveness as repellent. It exhibited the highest protection time against the mosquito more than 1 hour. The repellency result also accessed by mean of the biting rate. The mean biting rate of the essential oil against Aedes aegypti were between 1.2 to 2.3%, while ethyl alcohol gave 24.7% and DEET gave 1.5%. All essential oil except Citrus maxima show the biting rate less than 2%.
Finally, I would like to conclude our research. It was found that the essential oil from the eggplant showed the potential for repellent against mosquito Aedes aegypti. Citrus ornithifolia oil showed the highest repellency result. This research could be useful to develop newer, safer, and more effective natural products against mosquito. It could be used as alternative source for developing agents for controlling vector of mosquito-borne disease from herbal plants in the future. Before ending, we would like to thank you, Faculty of Agricultural Technology, King Mongkut Institute of Technology, Lagabang, the National Research Council of Thailand, for providing financial assistance to carry out this study. Thank Army Force Research Institute of Medical Science for providing the aid of Aedes aegypti. Thank the volunteer from Plant Production Technology Section, Faculty of Agricultural Technology, KMITL, for their assistance in repellent test. And grateful thanks to Associate Professor Dr. Mayura Sunvira, our advisor, for her advice and suggestion. That completes our presentation now. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much. Okay, who wants to ask the question of the difference between mosquito and bee? Okay, go ahead.
What difference between male and female?
I just prepare myself. Maybe I think the young girl or the young boy will ask me about the difference between the male and female. So I prepared it for already, you know. It's a difference of the first one for the habit of it. For the female, it will eat only blood. But for the male one, it will eat the syrup of glucose, yes, from flowers or from syrup from something that sweet, a little bit sweet for the male one. But for the female, it only eat blood. So the mosquito that bite us are female one, yes. And the other thing that show the difference is you can look from its what is it? Antony of the male and female. For the female, the antony will be the plumose one. Many antony. But for the female, it will be the plumose. It's like this, and just only not many spines. You see, yes. The male is a plumose style of the antony, but the female is a pilose one. Yes. You understand, young girl?
Okay, they have other questions? Okay, go ahead.
How different between dengue fever and chikungunya fever?
Okay, the difference between dengue fever and chikungunya.
A different one, can you answer?